back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be perfect for those of you who want to work from home, but you don't have a computer or you don't have very much experience. This company is taking applications with absolutely no experience required, and they are providing a Macbook to work from, so they're giving you the computer equipment you need to do the job. So all you need to do is be what they are looking for. The company is CircleLink Health. Now, they only have 17 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, so I please urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 4.0 out of 5-star rating, though. Real quickly, if you enjoy job leads like this, don't forget to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if this job lead is not for you, that's okay. If you know somebody who would be great for this position, please share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, CircleLink Health is hiring a chat support associate for their care team. Now, what CircleLink Health does is they have a platform that helps like nurses, different things like that, provide proactive care through advanced preventative care platform. So you're going to be helping give like these nurses and the enrollment team that's trying to make sure these nurses are enrolled, different technical support to use this platform. So you're really going to be that pillar of support for their growing team of nurses, addressing their questions, helping them navigate those technical issues, and collaborating with other team members to help the nurses provide that best-in-class experience for their patients. So on top of like chatting with them and helping them, you're also going to use your technical expertise to help contribute to the knowledge-based articles. Thinking outside the box, you're going to help write these articles so that nurses can search them and look for them anytime they need to help provide solutions and answers to them whenever they need. You're going to be looking at the bigger picture and helping people just overcome those challenges of using this platform by creating creative solutions. Now, what they're looking for, it says 0 to 3 years of experience, preferably in healthcare, but non-healthcare experience is also considered. They do say they prefer somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of customer service or support role, but right here it says if you have no experience, apply anyway. They're really looking for somebody who just has that heart and passion for helping others and a mentorship and growth mindset. So as long as you have that, put that application in. Now, pay is going to be $40,000 to $50,000 a year, and of course they're giving you a MacBook to work from, so that's where you don't even have to have a computer. On top of that, they are giving you paid time off, health insurance, things like that also. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.